Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix a Tools Purchase Error. So without further ado, let's get started. But with this method, your Steam game achievements will gone. So what I suggest to do first is to back up your Steam achievements if you don't want to be gone, right? And there is a tool for that. You just need to write on Google Steam Achievement Manager, and it will be the first link by GitHub, Gipt, and here you will find basically this tool, and then you can back up your Steam achievements. And after you do so, now I will show you how you can fix this problem. So first of all, look for Steam on search, right click on it, open file location, Steam, right click and open file location again. Then scroll up until you see app cache. Then you need to look for these two files, package info VDK and app info VDK as well. And you just need to delete these two files or just drag and drop it to your desktop or whatever you like. And then you just need to launch Steam and then completely quit it and re-enable it, basically rerun the Steam, and your issue should be solved. And if it's not working, then press on Steam settings, then this window will open up, then go to downloads and then clear download cache and clear cache. You need to relog into your account, but nevertheless, it should fix your problem. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like.